we're trying to figure out how much greater or how much more interest is in account B than in account A. It's simple interest, annual, that's I equals principal times rate times time. So clue 1 says Ann deposited $200 more in account B than account A. So in account A, she has X dollars, let's say. So principal, see I equal PRT, interest equals X, that's the amount we're saying she put in account A, times a 0.05, times a 1 for time, but I don't know what X is, so I can't find interest. And let's look at, well, we already know it doesn't work, but if we did it for B, once again, we have I equal PRT, interest equals X plus 200, because you put $200 more. This time it's a rate of 0.08 times 1, but we can't do it. Clue 2. The total amount of interest from the two accounts. The total amount of interest for the two accounts earned in the first year was $120. Well, so what? It doesn't tell me how much more was in one than the other. It just tells me the sum of the interest was $120. But there's no breakdown of between the two accounts. So it's total interest is $120. But once again, that doesn't work by itself. But if you put both of them together, if you take this amount of interest that was earned for account A, that would be 0.05x, and add to it the amount of interest for account B, that's 0.08 times x plus 200. We know that the sum has to give you 120. So you could solve this equation for x, plug it in here to figure out how much interest is there, plug in x here to figure out how much interest in that account. You could figure out how much more B has than A. So the answer is C.